You have orders in one system, shipping in another. Does that sound familiar? Too many businesses are still managing fulfillment with disconnected processes, manual entry, and constant back and forth. That means wasted time, shipment mistakes, delayed updates, and frustrated customers asking, "Where's my order?" Now there's a smarter way to ship. Introducing AccountMate Enterprise plus shipping integration. Easily perform tasks like automated order sync, batch label printing, and real-time tracking visibility. With integrated ShipStation connectivity built directly into AccountMate Enterprise, your shipping workflow becomes faster, more accurate, and fully connected. Just think, less manual work, more control. From order to delivery, AccountMate Enterprise helps your business ship smarter. Contact AccountMate today to learn more.